Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. So today we are going to see unit number 3, solids, right? Position on solids. So you know very well generally n number of solids is available, right? For different shapes also we know in position of planes we have different planes. So for that we are going to see the position of solids. So in the sense we have mentioned the height. So maybe prism, pyramid. So like that they have to given cylinder and cone also they may come, right? So for example, prism and the pyramid then we have different shapes. For example, hexagonal 6-side prism is there, right? And we have to identify so number of side. So count the number of side. Count the number of side. 5. So what is the shape of this one? What is the shape of this one? Pentagonal. Pentagonal prism. Pentagonal prism. So same similar color. So what is this one? How many number of side? 3. Then identify the shape. No. No. So only two categories. See, prism and the pyramid. Another category called as cylinder and the cone. Right? So this is called as pyramid. Right? Pyramid. 3-side pyramid. So now we tell me this one. Number of side? 4. Like identify the shape. 4-side prism. 4-side prism. Right? Okay. Right. So now we identify this one. Cone. Okay. Ice cream shop. Right. Similarly, so now we check this one. Number of side. Identify the number of side. Okay. Done. Pentagonal pyramid. So this is called as pyramid. So you make a difference between prism and the pyramid. You can be sorry. So prism and the pyramid, we make a difference. Right? Here is prism. This is called prism. The base and the top it should be a same shape. Right? So this is called as pyramid. Base only we have and the sharp edge. So identify sharp edge called as pyramid. That's what you identify the problem. Based upon the second problem, you identify whether they have to provide maybe prism or pyramid or height. So like that they have to given, right? And also you have to identify the where it is placed. It is placed on the HP, the corner placed on the HP, or edge placed on the HP. So like that they provide a problem, right? Similarly, angle also they provide, right? Two kinds of angle they may provide. One is inclined to HP, another one inclined to vertical plane. So I already told you if it is given the problem inclined to HP, where you can draw the problem. For example, in the XY line, your angle provided is 40 degree to HP, right? So for example, this is your XY line. The XY line is vertical plane, is horizontal plane. So your given problem is 40 degree inclined to HP, right? Then you have a problem like on a cylinder. Just like a cylinder is here, right? So where you can put the angle, 40 degree angle, provided in the HP, right? HP angle you have to build in the vertical plane. So above called as vertical plane, below called as horizontal plane, right? This is called front view, this is called top view, right? So some of the top also they mention build the angle of 40 or 45 or 50 degree in front view or top view also they mention, right? The question bank also it is mentioned that the problem is unit number 3, the problem is number 2, right? So they mention clearly on plane problem the same axis, then height they may be provide, then you have to draw, right? So that type of problem also it is available. Okay, so you can check that where you can identify the angles, then you have to project the lines, right? Clear with that? Are you able to clear? Right? So you have to read on the problem, then identify. Right, problem number 7. Draw the projection of
தெரியறடாங்க
draw the projection of cylinder of diameter 35 mm. So you have to take it of radius 17.5 radius and the axis height 55 mm when it is lies on HP. When it is lies on HP. So previous all the problem is lies on where? This lies is different. Okay. So one of its generating and the base is perpendicular to HP and inclined to 50 degree to the VP. Right. So imagine the problem. So they have to set that the vertical plane angle it is crossing 50 degree to vertical plane. Right. So that you have to draw the your inclination to where? HP. Horizontal plane. Below the XY line. Understand? Below the XY line. So you have to draw the front view. So how the position of this? How the position of this? There is a more cylinder. Okay. Okay. No. So let imagine this shape. So they have to resting on HP. Resting on HP and the front view and the top view is going to be different. So not like a previous other problem. It is different. So you have type in the top view and the front view in different manner. Right? For example, this is XY line. So we have to draw top view like this. Right? Front view like this. Front view, top view, right? So then you have to incline angle. Then make a projections, fourth diagram here. Right? So you have to turn it in the clockwise. Right? So now draw the problem. Draw the XY line. Vertical plane, the horizontal plane, and the right given diagram. This is a top view, this is a front view. Given data. This is a cylinder. So diameter 35 mm and the height such. How much height? 60 r. 55 mm. Okay. Inclined to VP. 50 degree. Inclined to VP 50 degree. Right? So that we have to draw the diagram. If it is given vertical plane, to draw the circle on VP, right? And divide the equal number of parts. Then project the downward. Draw the 55 mm height. And reference line. And to the angle 50 degree. Mark the points. Any point you mark it from that 50 degree on the line. Right? So you mark anything then 50 degree from the center. Similarly, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write note down A. H, B, and G, C, So you note down all the points here also. A, H, B, G, C, F, D, E. Then 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. So now say you project towards vertical. Then similarly now intersecting point A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3 you mark it and draw the lines. Right? Right? Now we have to understand the previous problem and this one it is a different. The only how to identify the problem is inclined to VP if it is given, then you have to draw the first circle here, then cylinder top view, then twin angle, then you have to draw the fourth diagram. Right? So previous problem they mentioned the inclined angle 40 or 50 degree to HP. Right? You have to identify the problem whether it is inclined to VP or HP. If it is HP, same similar. Draw circle, top view, front view, and the inclined angles. Right? And the project towards downward. Like you have to draw the diagram. Okay? Are you able to understand how to differentiate the two types of problem? That is called inclined to VP and inclined to HP. Right?